Hi. Okay, today we're going to figure out how to convert the repeating decimal form become a fraction form. So these are two examples, which is a very common example. It's come from 0.3 repeated 3, and then this is 4.02. So the 02 is repeated. So this one also can represent it as a 4.02. It's totally repeated after the decimal point. Okay, so the first thing what you need to do is you have to split it, become different decimal forms. So the first one, 0.3, actually is a 0.3333 and non-stop. Okay, so we make it taking the first three terms. Okay, taking the first three terms. So this is a 0.3, and then followed by, in order to get the 3, you already have 0.3, obviously is another 0.03. Become two decimal form. And then same goes to the third one, will become three decimal form. And we just using the first three term, and you'll find that this one it looks like sum to infinity because it's non-stop, where the a is equals to 0.3 and your common ratio is using the second terms divide by the first term, so you get a 0.1. Therefore, lastly, this one it will be looks like sum to infinity formula, which is a over 1 minus r. Did you notice that? And then from there, after you get the numbers or get the result from both numerator and denominator, so just have to simplify it to get a fraction form. Okay, so let us give it a try for 0.4444. The same situation, Okay, firstly, we make it as a 0.444 dot dot dot. Okay, taking the first three terms, 0.4, 1 decimal, 2 decimal, and 3 decimal. Okay, and then plus dot dot dot. We still have some of it. So from here, try to figure out, yeah, it's a sequence. Okay, it looks like a geometric sequence where the a equals to 0.4 and the common ratio is 0.04 divided by 0.4, which is 0.12. Therefore, you can write it as this is equals to, so using the sum to infinity formula, so 0.4 over 1 minus 0.1. Okay, so you get that is 0.4 over 0.9. So actually, you just need to move one decimal form. Okay, and then you get that it's a 4 over 9. Okay, if you are not believe, you can use a calculator. If I press the 4 over 9, it will look like a repeated form. Okay, in decimal. Okay, that is 0.4414. Okay, you can double check from there. So this is a case that when there is only one decimal. Okay, so let's take a look how about when they repeated both. Okay, when repeated both, so it means it will looks like the 4, we just rewrite again as a 4 because it does not affect anything. But start from the second terms is a 0.2. And then did you notice that 0.2, it cannot be. If 4 plus 0.2, it will be 4.2. So it will be 0.02. You get the point here? Right, 4.02. Let's say I'm taking this. This is like 4 plus 0.2. So if I write 4.0202, then it will be looks like 4 plus 0.02. Sorry, it's a 02. Okay, so, and then another form, how you can reach here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be third and a fourth decimal form. So it will be equals to plus 0.1234. You get a point here? So the same thing goes to 4.020202, the third pair of 02. Then we will write it as a 4 plus 0.02, the first one. The second pair, 0.0002. And then the last one, it will be just like I'm checking just now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a 5 and 6. So it will be plus 0.1234, 5 and 6. So this is how you get this. Okay, so the same thing is, where is the sum to infinity happens? You start from here only. Okay, only here with the sum to infinity situation because that is a geometric sequence over there. Okay, so from here you can get to know that the a is equals to 0.02 and the common ratio you get that is 0.01 lah. Okay, because using the second terms divided by the first one. So same goes to here, and this one it will be looks like a over 1 minus r. Do not forget there's a 4 over there. So once you get this one in the fraction form, then you only put it together as this. Okay, jom, let us give it a try for the 1.1212. Okay, so 1.1212, the first thing you have to do is separate it. 1.121212 dot 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 is equals to 1 plus 0.12, okay, plus 0.00. because just now the 1, 2 already took place. 1, 2, and the third one 0.00012. Okay, and highlight the part with geometry sequence. So this is a part with geometry sequence. So the one you just leave it. Okay, so from here you get to know A equals to 0.12 and the common ratio is 0.0012 divided by the 0.12. Okay, I do not believe, then you just use a calculator to calculate if you are not sure. Okay, divided by 0.12. So it's a 0.01. Okay, therefore we can write it as this is equals to 1 plus 0.12 over 1 minus 0.01. So which is 1 plus 0.12 over 0.99. So it can be saying that it's a 12 over 99. And it still can be simplified again, right? So 1 plus, okay, when you press the calculator, 0.12 over 0.99. So it's a 433. So you can make it as a 37 over 33. So this is how you convert it. Okay, that's all for today.